Got leftover pizza dough? Don't toss it. Let's turn it into a quick, crispy focaccia. Super easy, super tasty, and a great way to use up your dough balls. Start by grabbing leftover dough balls, about 3 of them, and turn them out onto a clean surface. Use a dough scraper to bring them together into one ball. Don't worry if it's not as elastic as fresh dough. It's meant to be a bit relaxed. Drizzle about 3/4 of a teaspoon of olive oil into your baking tray, something like 8 by 10 inches. Use your fingers to rub the oil across the base and sides, then pop the dough ball right in the middle. Cover with a tea towel and let it chill for 20 minutes. While the dough is resting, have your cherry tomatoes if you haven't already. Then fire up your Ooni and preheat it. You're aiming for 570 degrees Fahrenheit or 300 degrees Celsius on the baking stone. After 20 minutes, the dough should be nice and relaxed. Use your fingertips to gently press it out, filling the base of the tray and making those signature focaccia dimples. Mix 1 teaspoon of salt with 1/4 cup of water and pour it evenly over the dough. Then squeeze your cherry tomato halves right over the top. Get all that juice in there and press them into the dough. Sprinkle with oregano and finish with a final drizzle of olive oil, about a half teaspoon. Slide the tray into your Ooni and bake for 2 minutes with the door closed. Then use gloves to rotate the tray halfway and bake for another 2 minutes. After that, drop the heat to around 390 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius and continue baking for 10 more minutes. Once golden and crisp, pull it out of the oven and let it cool for 5 minutes. Slice it up, serve, and enjoy the magic of turning leftovers into something seriously delicious. Leftover dough never looks so good. If you're loving the recipes, hit subscribe and keep cooking with us.